Check out this off-road capable dual axle travel trailer that's under 25 feet. Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. This is the Honey Badger and the Rpod 202. Now, as you can tell, the suspension is different than most travel trailers that are considered conventional. Even though it has a deep slide out, power awning, spare tire, solid steps, the entire package for dry camping, including central vac, convection microwave, solar, etc. Propane electric refrigerator, and then all the little kitchen storage you need in this rear kitchen floor plan. One-piece sink, 2-burner stove, and it's built like a tank. Now the good news is it's under 4,600 pounds dry. Now if you want pricing, I'm going to link the website to the dealership I work for in the description box so you can get the website's pricing. You got a nice pantry space, and the dinette is straight across from the television, which means that you have a decent entertainment area, and you also have a fireplace. Now this is one wardrobe closet, so there's no wasted space, and the convenience of a large shower and a walk-through bathroom gives you more space in a small travel trailer. Now, if you do like the way I open up the cabinets and show you all of it, please comment it and please leave a comment and hit the like button. You can also subscribe to the channel to be notified about future walkthrough videos. Now it does also have a walk-around queen bed, which we're going to get to in just a moment, and more wardrobe closet space, but not as deep as the one that's in the bathroom, and a space to put a large big screen TV in the bedroom. Now with all the windows, it brings in a lot of brightness, a lot of natural light, where you don't always have to use your lights during the day. Now if you look in the top right-hand corner, you're going to see another wonderful off-road trailer walkthrough.